Accidentally in love. Accidentally in love. Accidentally in love.
Hello, my name is Brianna. I took the CHSPE in March of 2016, and I thought I would make a video in order to go over the questions that I encountered as well as some basic overview of the test itself. I hope this is helpful. The first thing you want to do is go to the CHSPE website, CHSPE. If you Google it, it will be the first option. Go to registration. You'll be able to scroll through and find the dates and deadlines for all the registration and administrations as well. When you're ready, click the link at the top. Choose electronic only and complete the steps 1 through 7. After registration, go ahead and go to the preparation steps on this website and scroll through and find all the things you need to know before you do your test date. Remember, you need a photo ID and at least 2 pencils. About a month after the test, you'll be able to log in the user portal. You will be able to view your unofficial results. These results will show which you have passed and which you have not passed, including the minimum passing score and your score you have received. Within 1 to 5 days, you will receive your official results as well as your actual certificate. First, you will receive a letter that goes over all of the privileges you will receive now that you have a certificate. You'll receive an order form in case you wish to order a transcript or a duplicate certificate. You'll receive your official results. They will break down exactly what part of the mathematics you have passed and what level you are at, as well as your reading and language. If you bring this, as well as your official score report, to your principal or counselor, they will help you in the dropout process. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below for me, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. My intention was to make this video short and quick so it helps you with whatever you need. Thank you and have a great day.
If only New York wasn't so far away. I promise this city won't get in our way. When you're scared